Paano ba makalusot sa immigration in less than 3 minutes? So, hindi naman talaga hack to, pero pansin ko lang yung umuwi akong US, madami pa rin nakapira sa immigration. And I'm sure the last thing that you want to do after a 12-hour long flight is stand in line. So, paano ba ako nakalusot in less than 3 minutes during my last flight? Simple lang naman yung sagot, using the e-gate. So, paano ba siya gamitin and ano ba yung kailangan niyo? Yan yung pag-uusapan natin sa video na to. So, the first thing you need to prepare, update your e-travel pass. Now, this is not required in immigration. Actually, before the flight pa lang, kailangan nyo ito gawin. I'm just reminding you guys because I actually forgot to do this. Tapos, remind ako ng immigration officer. So, please, go update your e-travel. All you have to do is go to etravel.gov.ph and fill in all of the information. Lahat ng information nasa ticket niyo or nasa passport niyo. So, have those ready as well when you update it. Okay, so na-update nyo na yung e-travel niyo. Ano yung kailangan nyo pang i-prepare? Number 1 is yung boarding pass and number 2 is of course your passport. So before you even get to the e-gate, prepare nyo na yan because those are the first two things that you need. So pagdating nyo sa e-gate, yung unang hahanapin ng machine is yung boarding pass ninyo. So you have to make sure that the side of your boarding pass with the barcode is facing down so the scanner can read it. And yung napansin nila is kung isagad nyo yung boarding pass sa left side, mas madali siyang mas-scan nung scanner. Mas-scan nung scanner? Yes, mas-scan nung scanner. Now, if you do this correctly, the machine should say that you need to present your passport. So yung passport niyo kailangan i-open sa second page which contains your picture and all of your information. Again, kailangan nyo face down and ilatag nyo as flat as possible para again, mas madali siyang mas-scan ng scanner. So ulitin ko lang number 1 is yung boarding pass, face down yung barcode sa scanner, and then number 2, passport, open to the second page with your photo and details and then scan that. Now once everything is done correctly, yung first gate will open and it's time for your biometrics to be scanned. And the first thing you do here is stand in front of the biometric scanner sa allotted space on the floor. Now you also have to remove your hat, your sunglasses, your glasses, and your face mask. After that is you have to scan your pointer finger or yung hintuturo. Reminder, pointer finger. Madami pa rin ako nakita sa mga e-gate na ginagamit yung thumb. You are supposed to use your pointer finger. Alam ko, medyo pag nakita ka na scanner, gusto mo thumbprint. Parang yun yung instinct mo. Pero pointer finger guys or yung hintuturo. And the next step is to face the camera para ma-capture yung image niyo. Now you have to make sure na nakatingin kayo sa camera the entire time until it verifies na tapos na yung biometric scans. And then the second gate will open. And the last step is actually the easiest. Once you get past the second gate, kunin nyo lang yung sticker na printed dun sa maliit na slot sa right side. And then you open up your passport, find an open space or an open page, and you stick that sticker on the passport and you're done. If you did all of these correctly, you should be able to get through immigration in 3 minutes or less. So reminder lang, hindi lahat pwedeng dumaan sa e-gate. Of course, kailangan nyo ng Philippine passport. That's the number 1 requirement. Kung wheelchair-assisted passenger kayo or gumagamit kayo ng wheelchair, hindi rin pwede, hindi kasya yung wheelchair. So kailangan pa rin pumila sa immigration. And if you're a parent traveling with a young child, remember, now 1 at a time lang siya, bawal companion sa loob ng e-gate. So if you're, again, traveling with a young child, baka it's still best to go through the normal immigration lines. Again, you just have to line up for a little bit longer. And actually, that's it for this video. Super fast lang. I just wanted to share how to use an e-gate kasi ang dami kong napansin na nakapila pa rin sa immigration. Biro nyo after a 12-hour long flight. Ang haba pa ng pila. So hopefully you find this helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel. My name is Tito James. Peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time.